In this next video, we're going to take a look to see how to prevent this cylinder from spinning on its axis. So in order to prevent the cylinder from spinning, there's a number of ways we could stop that, but perhaps one of the easier ways is to look in the browser, and we need to expand the cylinder options so we can see the different constraints that we put on that cylinder. So if you notice, we put our mouse over the different constraints and it tells us which surfaces we combine to form those different flush and tangent constraints on that cylinder. Well, above it there is an origin folder, and what that is it shows the different planes that that particular object works within. So when we drew our object, we picked a certain plane for it to be drawn on. So what we want to do for this particular cylinder, the way it's presented here in this assembly, is we're going to use the YZ plane, this one right here. And we're going to use that, and we're going to make it 90 degrees from the face, this face of this block. So what that will do is it will prevent this cylinder from rotating, because it always has to be a 90-degree angle from this block, this plane, 90 degrees to this block. So we're going to go to the constrain menu, and we're going to click angle. We're going to have a directed angle. We're going to pick first this plane that's upright, and then we're going to pick the face of the block that we're working with. So right now it's at a 0-degree angle. So what I can do is I can type in the angle I need it. So now what it's doing is it's measuring that 90-degree angle. So the face of the block is this direction, and then the plane that we're selecting is 90 degrees from the face of that block. So when we apply it and we try to rotate that cylinder now, we have locked it by locking the plane in with the face of this cube here. So to prevent that cylinder from moving around, we would lock the angle of the plane to the face of the cube.